Alright, hello YouTube. So, I realize I haven't done a 3D printing video in a while, and it's not because I haven't been 3D printing, it's just because I haven't done any videos. So, I actually did something really cool for work that I'm going to try to piece something together. I did a metal extrusion with an insert for a shelf and stuff. But last night, I got this bright idea to print something really long. So I found this dragon. Looks really awesome. I did it in glow-in-the-dark green. It took roughly 5 hours. It's been done for a while now. I'm actually sitting here playing World of Warcraft. So I thought I'd show this before I popped it off the bed. That's what it looked like before. That's the MakerWare software that runs fine on the CTC 3D printer. And then if we go over to the printer, and we see we have a dragon. Print it, no support. From what I saw so far, it looks really good. I actually have my Ustream still going. I think I should cancel that. Put this over here. And we'll stop this broadcast. Stop recording. Stop broadcast. Close that down. And we'll hit some magic buttons. Control, Alt, Delete. Alright, let's take a look here now. So I printed no raft, and you see I got a little straggler, it looks like hanging there, broke right off. That looks really good. iPhone doesn't really do it any justice. The nails and the claws. Another little straggler. Alright. That's gonna mess up. I just realized I didn't take this sideways. Everybody always complains. They're like, turn your phone to the side. Let's see if we can get them to pop up without breaking. Try coming from the back. No. I actually use hairspray on the bed. I found it works the best. But then it's just really hard to get your prints off. And doing it one-handed doesn't help either. You need like a helmet with a GoPro. Alright. See if I can get this nail started. Yep. Come on. Pop off the bed. Stop destroying my $1 million tape. One popped up. It's just these back ones. It's down really good. There it goes. I'm trying not to break your foot. Oh, we lost a foot. That's alright though. I can glue it back on. So I did 10% infill. And that stinks because I didn't even really get the razor blade underneath it. So we'll just have to glue that back on. It's one thing I like about the plastic. Little super glue. Nobody will know. other than the 3 to 4 people that are actually going to watch this video. This was downloaded from Thingiverse. I don't really know the thing number. I did it late last night. I was kind of in a rush before I went to bed. But it came out absolutely awesome for no support, no nothing. And I printed it at MakerWare's default settings, so it's like 90 millimeters a second by 150 for travel. You see his mouse open there, looking like he needs a little LED, show some fire or something. But anyway, just wanted to post a video. CTC 3D printer, still printing awesome. I'm gonna have to grab his foot. That kind of sucks, but can't win them all. At least it stuck to the bed and it didn't curl or nothing, so it came out absolutely perfect. And I love this CTC 3D printer. Look at that, pop right off where we got it from the back. So I'll just have to glue it back on. Alright, more videos to come.